Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Create and activate a virtualenv, then pip install Firebase admin. Once done, enable the database you need in the Firebase console and generate a service account JSON key. Make sure to store that key safely and set the Google Application Credentials environment variable so the SDK can authenticate automatically. This avoids hard-coding credentials. Now open your editor and create a minimal Python script file where you will initialize the Firebase admin SDK and test connectivity. With credentials in place, import Firebase admin and initialize app using the service account and the correct database URL or project ID. Once initialized, instantiate Firestore. Client for Firestore or DB. Reference / for real-time database. Then write a small function to create, read, update, and delete a sample record for Firestore use collection users. Document UID. Set data, and for real-time DB use ref. Child users. Push data. Make sure to handle exceptions and await or commit transactions when using batched writes. Finish by adding robust error handling, input validation, and security rules so only authorized clients can access sensitive paths. Once done, test locally with the Firebase emulator suite to replicate auth and database behavior without hitting production. If operations fail, check the service account IAM roles, confirm the Google Application Credentials path, and enable detailed logging to see HTTP responses and error codes. Finally, deploy cautiously and monitor usage and rules. Make incremental changes and retest to avoid breaking live data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.